Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your health food brand with Nature Valley step by step clear. Start by conducting thorough market research to understand your target audience. Identify the demographics and preferences of health-conscious consumers. Analyze trends in the health food industry to find gaps your brand can fill. Develop a unique selling proposition that sets your brand apart from competitors. Create high-quality products that meet the standards of health-conscious consumers. Ensure your ingredients are natural, organic, and sourced ethically. Focus on packaging that reflects your brand values and communicates your health benefits clearly. Utilize social media platforms to build brand awareness and engage with your audience. Share informative content that highlights the nutritional value of your products. Collaborate with influencers in the health and wellness space to reach new customers. Attend health food trade shows and local markets to showcase your products. Network with other brands and potential retailers to explore distribution opportunities. Build relationships with local gyms, health clubs, and wellness centers for cross-promotions. Leverage online platforms, like an e-commerce site, to expand your reach beyond local markets. Implement search engine optimization strategies to improve your website's visibility. Engage with customers through email marketing to build loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Gather feedback from customers to continually improve product offerings. Monitor your sales data to identify trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider potential partnerships with established brands like Nature Valley to tap into their resources. Negotiate agreements that support co-marketing initiatives or co-branding opportunities. Continuously assess your brand's performance and adapt to changes in consumer preferences. Stay committed to your mission of promoting health and wellness in every aspect of your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.